Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check someone's recent following on Instagram, and I would love to teach to launch their Instagram application. And then from here, just as the way that we can be able to tap on our profile and then tap on their following, and then we can decide to filter out our followers account by filtering it from latest or earliest. We can't be able to view that on the person that we want to check their following. We can decide to view the following or followers account by either heading over to their posts. Like I can just decide to head on over to this person's post by tapping on their names. And then I can decide by either tapping on their following or followers. And then from there, you can see the people that the person is following. You can decide by also tapping on a post they do have and then checking their likes and seeing the people that have liked. In the case that you do know the people that this person has followed are on their likes, you're going to be able to see them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.